All right, cool guys. Welcome in. If you're watching this video right now, we're going to do a masterclass on Retell. So timestamps are going to be in the description if you have a specific point at which you want to follow along. So I'm going to start to finish, set this up in GoHighLevel. We're going to set up an appointment setter bot. We're going to make it a little bit complex. You can make it as simple as you want. Right now I'm in Retell. I'm going to start by creating an agent. I'm going to do a multi-prompt agent and we're going to type in a prompt. But the way that I like to do prompts is using Perplexity. So I'm going to say, I have an AI agency, AI marketing agency, and I help cleaning companies get more commercial jobs using Google and AI voice to take inbound calls and make follow-up calls. I'm creating a Retell bot that will call on forms on booked calls that leads have booked in from Facebook. So this is going to be a discovery bot and it's going to book a sales call at the end. Your objective is to create a Retell voice AI bot prompt that will use EPQ Matt Ryder style discovery questions to qualify and book demo calls. And then I'm just going to give it some of our NEPQ verbiage so that I can just copy what we have. So right now I'm just copying my own script in. I recommend you guys do that too if you want to use your own. And then here we go. So good start. This needs to include context so the Retell bot knows its name, personality, objective, and script. It already knows this script. Try again, please. This is perfect. So now I'm going to copy this in and just change what I need to change. It put its name as Retell, so we'll change that for sure. You are, let's say, Ryan, an advanced AI assistant created by Scaling Squad to help cleaning companies grow their commercial cleaning base. Your personality is professional yet friendly and doesn't use corporate or salesy verbiage. Knowledgeable about the cleaning industry, focused on understanding products' unique situation. Qualify leads and book demo calls using NEPQ, Matt Ryder style discovery approach. You've been programmed. Comprehensive search or script for lead qualification and appointment setting. The script includes phrases like blah. This is all still good. This is still all aligning with what I need. I'm going to try to just talk to it right out of the box and see how it goes. Cool. And then I'm just going to upload that script into the knowledge base. Oh, web pages too. Look at that. You can crawl and sync web pages, upload files, or add text manually. Not bad. I'm going to add it manually. NEPQ, B2B, sales, discovery. Nice. So now if I go back to the agent, we'll go to multi-state agent, add that in, and we're good. Cool. So I got it set up so far. I'm going to talk to it just to see how it goes. So let's do it. Hello?
Hi there. Is this prospect's name? I saw you recently filled out a form on Facebook about growing your commercial cleaning business. I just wanted to quickly follow up. Do you have a couple of minutes to chat?
Yes.
Great. So just to make sure I am on the same page, you're looking for help with getting more commercial cleaning jobs and growing your business. Does that sound about right?
Yes.
Awesome. Just curious, do you know what you're looking for when it comes to getting help with getting more jobs? Is there a specific goal or outcome you're hoping to achieve?
Well, that's it. I just want to get more jobs.
Makes total sense. More jobs mean more growth, right? What are you currently doing to get those jobs now? Is it mainly word of mouth referrals or maybe something like ads or flyers?
No, I'm just doing word of mouth only.
Word of mouth classic approach. How long have you been relying on that to bring in jobs? Has it been a few months, a year, or longer?
I would say it's been a year. Yeah, I've only been doing this for about a year.
Gotcha, so about a year. And would you say it's working well for you? Or is there something about it you'd want to change if you could?
Well, you want to get more. I feel like it's very inconsistent, especially now because it's Christmas. Not a lot of people need me. You know, people are at home. So
I see what you meant. Those ups and downs can be really frustrating, especially when it's tied to the seasons. How long have you been noticing this inconsistency? Has it been just recently, or has it been happening on and off throughout the year?
yeah, it's pretty much on and off throughout the year, but right now it's pretty bad.
Got it. So it's been a recurring issue, but it's hitting harder now. That's definitely tough. What does that inconsistency do for your business? How does it impact things when the jobs aren't coming in steadily?
Well, I can't pay people consistently. I can't hire people consistently because they want to leave. It's a hassle.
That sounds really stressful having to juggle everything without that steady flow of work. I can see why you're looking for a better way to grow. Just curious, why not stick with word of mouth and try to push that harder? Or is it just not cutting it anymore?
I want something else. I'll end it right there. That was okay. I think the intro was a little bit off, but it asked questions the right way for sure. I think the voice definitely sucks as well. I want to change that right away. Let's click up here to Myra and just see what we got.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
Hold on. Adrian actually might be good for my target demographic. You know what I'm saying? He has that zest. Watch, listen again.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
That might do well with the cleaners. You know what I mean? Let's keep going.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI.
Nope.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant.
Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls.
That one's pretty good. These are all play, I just realized. Let me go to 11 Labs.
Hi, I'm Adrian, your friendly virtual.
Greetings. I'm Amritanshu, your AI curator, crafted to enrich your experience with insightful assistance and tailored advice. Do want some burgers?
Burgers.
Good day. I'm Amy, your digital assistant, ready to navigate through.
Hi, I'm Andrew, your sturdy AI support.
Hi, I'm Adrian, your helper,
Adrian.
always here to make your daily tasks easier and stress-free. What would you like assistance with today?
Stop, Adrian. Oh, look, we're going to do AI initiates the call with a defined message. I want to say hello because that's the most normal thing to do. A lot of times when you're calling leads, they just don't say anything because they want to hear something first. They want to make sure it's not like kind of automated message. So I like the bot to be like, hello? And then then the call starts. Watch. So here we go. Hello?
Hi there. Is this prospect's name? I'm Ryan from Scaling Squad. I saw you recently filled out a form on Facebook about growing your commercial cleaning business. Does that ring a bell?
There we go. That's it right there. So cool. That's exactly what we wanted. It sounds pretty good so far. I almost feel like I don't even have to work on this prompt tree. The prompt tree is really cool because you can make each section individually. I might just do that anyways for the sake of the video, but let's just, because I really feel like it's pretty good, but I'll just, for the sake of the video, do like this. So this is the intro. So we'll do intro, and then I'll say this is the first line of the script. We're speaking to people who just saw an ad and opted in. They're very skeptical. Be aware and clear with your introduction. Cool. And then I'm just going to put the first line of the script, just it already knows, but I'm just going to reference that again. So we'll come down here and we'll say, hey, first name, it's Ryan from Scaling Squad. I saw you fill out a form on Facebook about possibly getting more cleaning jobs. Is that right? Cool. And so this is really what I wanted to show on this meeting today. So on this recording, like, there's really two options. It could be like, what's the second phase? I guess discovery. But what happens if they don't discover or if they're not interested? We'll still try to save them. So we'll split that up, but we'll say set as a starting state. No. So discovery questions. Once the lead has confirmed they did book a time to speak with us, we will continue through the discovery questions found in the knowledge base. Refer back to your script. Cool. And that's it. And I'll just put that here for now. But I want to split it off in one other direction, because what if they say no? Not interested. At this point, you've asked your introduction question, and the lead said they've never filled out a form or booked a time to speak with someone. Just say, no worries, someone put your information to speak with us about possibly getting more jobs. Are you looking into that? Or maybe not right now. No. So this is only going to happen if someone is not interested, right? So we have to be able to have that direction. And I want to put those directions in there now and show you how it works. At this point, and then if they're still not interested, politely end the call using the end call function. And I'll see if it actually does. I'm not sure if it will. But we'll save that. And then once we go back here, we're going to put a line this way. And the path is going to be the condition that triggers the transition to the next state. So we'll say if the user says they never filled out a form or booked an appointment. That's it. And then we'll save it. And then we'll copy that. And then I'll go to this side and I'll say the user confirms they filled out a form or booked an appointment. And then I'll save that. So let me just go back to make sure that was saved. Cool. And then what happens if I talk to it now? Let me try both paths.
Hey there. It's just Ryan from Scaling Squad. I saw you filled out our form on Facebook about possibly getting more cleaning jobs. Is that right?
No, I never filled out a form.
No worries at all. Someone must have put your information down to speak with us about possibly getting more jobs. Are you looking into that, or maybe not right now?
No, maybe not right now.
Got it, no problem at all. If things change and you're ever looking to grow your business, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. End the call.
That's it. Pretty good. Now let me see if I am interested.
Hey there, it's just Ryan from Scaling Squad. I saw you filled out our form on Facebook about possibly getting more cleaning jobs. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Awesome. Just curious, do you know what you're looking for when it comes to getting help with getting more cleaning jobs? Is there a specific goal or outcome you're hoping to achieve?
Perfect. I'm gonna end it right there. So both sides went through correctly. So we've now built a bot. We even did a little tree depending on if they are or not interested. Now, what happens at the end of the call? So I'm going to put some post-call data here to retrieve. I want to get, this one's good, detailed call summary. Detailed summary of the call before you transfer the call to a human so they understand the context of the call. What else would I want to know in this case? So current monthly jobs, because they will ask that question on the call. And I'll say, this is the current amount of jobs the user is getting every month. I think I spelled that wrong. Current. And then I want to add another one for the gap. Gap. This is the user's capacity, 20 more jobs per month. And this is a format example. So I'm just giving the AI more of an example of what I want at the end of the call. So I have current monthly calls, the gap, and then I'll also put, what else do I want to know? So one of the questions we ask on the script is, as you and I both know, getting the proper lead generation strategy to help you get that outcome is going to require some type of capital or funding. So given that you find what you're looking for, are you willing to invest in your company so that you can actually get to this goal? So I'm going to say this is a text. No. I'm going to say this is a Boolean, meaning it's going to be true or false, yes or no. And then I'm going to say open to invest. Did the user confirm that they are willing to invest to achieve their goal? Yes or no? And you get the point, right? You can continue to add whatever questions you want to receive at the end of the call. In my case, these are the questions I want to ask. At the end of the call, I'm also going to need to know, though, what time and day they want to book a call. So I'm going to put time. This is the requested time for a demo appointment. I'm also going to do date. This is the requested date of the demo appointment. In this case, since we're doing it nationally, I'm also going to need time zone. This is the current time zone the user is in. Is there anything else I need? If I already have their information, right? I will need their name and email, so I'll just put that anyways. Let's do name. This is the name of the user, and then I'll say contact ID. And if you're using GoHighLevel, you absolutely need this one. This is the contact ID of the user. And we're going to inject this at the end of the call. So it's not going to be asking the lead for contact ID. This is something that's already going to be injected into the bot every time we do the call. So it will already know that. So hold on. I think that's good. This means I have to do a full test. But really quick, before we even get into that, we have to initiate the call in some way. We got to initiate the call. So I'm going to go to make, and I'm going to show an example of how you would initiate a call in GoHighLevel. So from Retell, right, we're going to initiate the call, request the call. But it's all going to start in GoHighLevel, right? Because if we have a call in GoHighLevel, if, whatever action happens in GoHighLevel, it's going to trigger a call. So if I go to automation, this is going to be to trigger a call. I'm just going to do 00 test Retell start call. Cool. So you have whatever trigger, but the webhook is going to be like this. It's a post method to the webhook that you got from Retell. So if you're in make.com right now, you go to scenarios, you create a new scenario. The first module is going to be a custom webhook, and it's going to look like this. So I'm going to copy the webhook. Once you click add and create your webhook, you'll get one. So you copy the webhook that it gives you, and then we'll put that right here into GoHighLevel as a post. Done. And now we want to add a couple things, right? Because we want VAPI to know the name of the person we're speaking to. So name, value, we're going to click this tag and put contact first name. We also want them to know the email of the person. We also want them to know the contact ID, remember? So we're going to go to contact, scroll down to ID. And then I'm just going to put this in for the sake of it, but I'm going to put now time, right now, AM, PM format, and then we'll put out date. And we'll put right now, date as, I guess like that, written out. So there we go. Now I have the time, day, contact ID, email, and name. So if I clicked select action, or excuse me, save action, then I'll have it done. That's it. This is exactly how you initiate a call. That's it. You're done. You can have whatever trigger. It's going to push the data from that lead into the webhook into make. So it's going to take the data and then push it into Retell. So I'm going to click on this request. This is a basic auth request. So you're going to add a module, HTTP, make a basic auth request, and then you'll get this module. So if you click on it, it'll be, make sure you have credentials. If this is blank, just click add and then save. Don't do anything else. Don't type anything in. Just click add and save, and then it will be there. URL, that will be this one, HTTPS, API, Retell. And if you want any of the URLs or any of the text in here, just go ahead and join the free program, link in the description. All the templates will be in there. First header is going to say authorization. The value is going to be bearer, a little space, so bearer space, and then the key, which you can get from Retell. So this is saved, but if I go back, I can click API keys, and then I can copy my secret key, which you already will have in there. Make sure you select the one with the webhook enabled. You'll already have the secret key in there by default. So just gonna click save and then copy right here. Copy that. In make, bear space, paste that key. So bear space, paste that key. Add another header, content type, application/JSON. Body type is gonna be raw, JSON. And then this is the information that you're gonna be putting on there. So from number, that's gonna be the number that you have from Retell. Just type it in as raw. The to number, you're just gonna go in between these two double quotes and then paste the number from GoHighLevel, right? So if you scroll down, you'll see the custom data that you're pushing. Make sure you map the number right in there, right in there. And then this is the Retell dynamic variables. So again, yours will be blank. Mine, I already have some in here. So for example, you can copy like this entire thing, paste it in. And then what did we put for our dynamic variables? Let's go back to our agent really quick. So I have current monthly jobs. So I'm going to copy that and then just put current monthly jobs into the metadata. That's down here, right? Current monthly jobs. I'm jumping ahead a little bit, but I just want you guys to know where that data is going to go for the end of the call. So any post call data retrieval, current monthly jobs gap, right? You would copy them exactly how you typed them here. And then in make, you're just going to paste right here. And if you have more than 4, that's fine. This is how you'll do it. So like I have more than 4, right? So I'll just copy this little thing right here, and then I'll do a line break. And I think it's 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, paste. And then I can just change this to contact ID. And you're going to leave this blank. That's fine. But any of the things you're going to inject into Retell goes above. So what are we injecting? In GoHighLevel, we said name, email, contact ID, now time, and now date. So I'm going to go copy contact ID. I'll go over here, and then I'll do, instead of first contact, I'll do contact ID. And then make sure it's in between the double quotes. Whoops. Is it down here? No, it's not. Oh yeah, no, contact ID. And then you just drag it in, right? Boom. And then you continue to do that with every single thing you want to inject into the call so that Retell knows when it makes the call. At the end of the call, you're going to paste it down here. And that's it. And again, if you guys want that template, download that link in the description. Once that's done, you'll click OK. You'll turn it on. And then in GoHighLevel, make sure everything is saved. You'll click test workflow, find your contact, and then run test. You will receive a call once that happens. All right, so I'm going to test it live with you guys. I'm going to do it from GoHighLevel. There was a little cut there, but it's okay. I'm going to go back and show you guys in GoHighLevel how to initiate the call. So I have this on. This is on. As you can see, we just set this up. And then in my GoHighLevel, if I go to that automation and I put myself in it, am I not here? Okay, I guess I don't have a contact. Well, that's awkward recording. Let me go find my contact real quick. I guess I don't have one.
Are you in the right account?
No, okay, one more time. So this is actually for you too, because you were questioning how do I even start a call. So watch, I'll go back to the automation and then under follow-up sequences, Daniel, boom. So I'm going to test it, right? Run test. You can see the call went through. I am now receiving a call on my phone. Hello?
Hi, Dan. This is Lisa. I'm calling for Summer Geronimo. She asked me to reach out to you. Are you still building your network marketing business?
I'm going to hang up right there, but you get the point. So now we've initiated a call. We have the entire bot set up. And then if we've done this correctly, you'll see in the call logs, this is the one that I just did, I think, so it's not going to be much. But this one was 31 seconds long. You can see there was a summary already. The entire conversation is there. There's detail logs. And then there's also more, right? So I want to show you guys an example of what the details are going to look like once they come in. What about all those things that we did? So this is a call that happened. You can see the time zone was extracted from the call. It was not specified on this call specifically, but 7 p.m. was the time that they booked. Their email and their name was extracted from the conversation. And that's really it. So that's exactly how we initiate a call, extract custom information, and then we can push it out too. So that's the second part. So what if we want to push that data out somewhere? Well, if I'm in my bot, I can go to webhook settings and then paste a webhook URL here in Make so that at the end of the call, I can push data from Retell into Bappy, HighLevel, Google Sheet, wherever you want to put a summary of the call. So if I go back, create a scenario, and I do a webhook, a custom webhook, and I'll just do test end of call report. I'll have an address, so I copy that. I'll go back to Retell and I'll paste it in. So now at the end of the call, it's going to push all the data to this webhook. But where do I want it to go? Let's say I want it to go into HighLevel. Cool. Then I'll go into HighLevel and I'll add a note because I want to, at the end of the call, push the note into whatever lead that is. It's taking a little second here. All right, and then once it loads, you'll see it looks like this. So we're not going to select the contact ID. We're going to map the contact ID. And then the body we're going to change after we get that first message through. So I'm just going to put something random here for now so that I can save it. There's still something we have to do. So I'm going to put something in here, a filter, and I'm going to say analyzed. So Retell is going to send a bunch of information to that webhook, but we only want to get information on the call that was analyzed. So it's got to contain the word analyze, and the condition will be sent from the webhook once we're done. So I'll show you what that looks like here. It's going to have an error, but that's normal. I'm just going to click run once really quick. And then if I talk to the bot.
Hey there, it's just Ryan from Scaling Squad. I saw you filled out our form on Facebook about possibly getting more cleaning jobs. Is that right?
That's right. Actually, right now I'm doing 20 jobs a month. I can handle another 20 jobs per month. I am willing to invest in my company if you guys can help me fix that problem. And I want to book an appointment for 2 p.m. next Wednesday to see that demo.
Got it. Thanks for sharing that. It sounds like you're in a good spot, but ready to take things to the next level. Let me just confirm you're currently doing 20 jobs a month, and you're looking to double that, right? And you're open to investing in your business if we can help you solve that problem. Did I get that right? As for the appointment, let me check real quick. 2 p.m. next Wednesday works perfectly. What time zone are you in?
I'm in Pacific time.
Perfect. 2 p.m. Pacific time next Wednesday it is. I'll go ahead and lock that in for you. Let me just send over the calendar invite. Can you check if it pops up on your end?
Yes, I got it. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Glad you got it. Oh, and you actually remind me of one of our clients, Sarah. She was in a similar spot doing steady jobs, but wanted to scale up. After we set up our system, it completely transformed her business. Would it help if I sent over her story so you can check it out before our call?
Sure, that works.
Great. I'll send that over to you shortly. Could you do me a quick favor and reply back once you've had a chance to look at it, just so I know you got it?
Sounds good.
Perfect. I'll get that sent over to you right away. Thanks again for your time, and I'm looking forward to our call next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Pacific. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Wow, so I didn't even tell it to lay a story like that, yet it still did a story like that? So that was weird. I didn't even tell it to do that. That's kind of fire. That's not a bad thing. I'm saying that's a cool thing. That's a good thing.
You better get a testimonial from Sarah right away quick.
No, that was crazy. So look at this. Call analyzed. So that was the exact event I want, but it didn't go through because I had to get the data first. So now if the event has the word analyzed in it, then it will continue to go through and add a note to my contact in HighLevel. So I'll go here, and then the contact ID will be in all of the analysis down here that we extracted from the call. I don't think I injected the contact ID though, so it won't be there. Oh no, mine is there. Look at that. So I'll just put the contact ID there, and then the body will be like, and then so summary. I want the summary for sure. So call summary, and then I'll go down and I'll say current bookings per month. Boom. You get the point, right? Gap, and you'll just keep going. And then at the end of the call, every time it's going to put something through. That way you know exactly what happened on the call. So I'll just click OK for now. You can keep mapping and doing whatever you want on your own terms. I'm just showing you how to do it. So that's done. By the way, all these templates are already in Boss if you're watching this video. So just click that link. It's free. I'll see you on that side. But anyways, that's exactly how we initiate a call and then push data or extract data from the call and push it to wherever we want to go. So that's it. That's literally how it's done. Let me just go to Retell one final time and show you the call history. You can see right here. So there's all the information that we extracted from the call. And then I also showed you how to push it out just in case you want to do that too. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, I have a really small community, so just drop a comment under this video. I'll help you with any questions you have. It's way easier to use Retell than Vappy, and it seems to be more optimized than Vappy right now too. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys when I see you guys.